Today's question is the following. How to avoid losing a house to the nursing home so my mom's significant other won't become homeless in Wisconsin. Mom's health is starting to decline and may need more assistance with care. So this is a very good question, a very common worry among many seniors in Wisconsin. First, it depends on your situation. If your mom is married to the person in question, we call the spouse in this situation the community spouse. And we would call your mother, if she's the one going into the nursing home, the institutionalized spouse. Now, the community spouse is allowed to stay in the home while the institutionalized spouse goes in the nursing home and receives Medicaid benefits. So if you're talking about qualifying for Medicaid, if they're legally married, one can remain in the home and that won't prevent your mother from qualifying for Medicaid. However, after your mother's death, the state of Wisconsin may seek repayment from the home that I assume your mom's husband was living in. Now, if they aren't married, these rules won't apply where he's considered the community spouse. Then your mom would be treated as a single individual. And in general, a single individual is only allowed to have their home and up to $2,000 in liquid assets to qualify for Medicaid. Now, if your mom goes in the nursing home, after a while, if she's determined unable to return home, then she's probably going to have to sell the house. So if you're single, the facts get tricky here, so consult with a qualified elder law attorney in your area. But if you're single, the house gets trickier. If she's married, the community spouse can remain in the house. There are other methods for protecting your assets, such as using an irrevocable trust, but be aware for that you need 5-year look-back period, meaning you'd need 5 years until your mom would need to qualify for Medicaid in order to do any of that sort of planning. So again, I suggest you consult with a qualified estate planning and elder law attorney in your area and give them all the specific facts here so they can give you the best advice in this situation. When you mention your mom's significant other, it sounds like they're not married, so some of these laws that apply to married couples probably aren't going to protect them. And that's where a qualified attorney can help look through the facts and see if there's any other options in this situation. So I'm sorry to hear your mom's going through this, but great question and thank you for asking.